Let's learn how to find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 16 and 20. The greatest common factor is the largest number that divides evenly into both numbers. We'll solve this using prime factorization. First, let's create factor trees for both numbers to find their prime factorizations. Let's start with 16. 16 can be divided by 2, giving us 8. 8 can be divided by 2 again, giving us 4. 4 divides by 2 to give us 2. And finally, 2 divides by 2 to give us 1. So 16 equals 2 to the fourth power. Now let's factor 20. 20 divides by 2 to give us 10. 10 divides by 2 to give us 5. And 5 is a prime number, so we stop there. So 20 equals 2 squared times 5. Now let's compare the prime factorizations. 16 is 2 to the fourth power, and 20 is 2 squared times 5. The greatest common factor will include all the prime factors that both numbers share, using the lowest power in which they appear. Looking at these factorizations, we can see that 2 is the only prime factor they have in common. In 16, 2 appears to the fourth power, and in 20, 2 appears squared. Since we need to use the lowest power, we'll use 2 squared. Therefore, the greatest common factor is 2 squared, which equals 4. We can verify this is correct because 4 divides evenly into both 16 and 20, and no larger number divides evenly into both. In summary, we found the greatest common factor of 16 and 20 by first finding their prime factorizations, then identifying the shared prime factors with their lowest common powers, and finally calculating the result. The greatest common factor of 16 and 20 is 4.